Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. 2-minute review of the Jorgensen Mini Block Plane. So comes in a little box. I've been using it a bit, so it's been out before here, but it is the tiniest, cutest little block plane you'd ever see. Measures only around 4 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and has just a tiny little 1-inch blade there. You adjust by loosening this up, tighten this down so you can get the blade to stick out the bottom here. Get that a little ways down, tighten the adjuster back up here. So now it is sticking out. Then we can grab something to plane and away we go. That's all there is to it. Makes nice curls. That's a pretty decent sized cut for this, but we can go down a little bit as well. So loosen that off again, back it off. Yeah, we'll go something around there, tighten it back up here, and away we go again. Just the smallest little bit there. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. That's as sharp as it was out of the box and having been used a little bit on some of my projects, but nice little tiny block plane. So that's the Jorgensen Mini Block Plane. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. And as always, thanks for watching.